What's the meaning of antiparticle? Antiparticle. 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 Antiparticle.
An antiparticle is a type of subatomic particle that has the same mass as a corresponding particle, but opposite electrical charge and other quantum numbers. For example, the antiparticle of an electron is called a positron. When a particle and its antiparticle come into contact, they annihilate each other, releasing energy in the form of gamma rays or other particles. Antiparticles play an important role in many areas of physics, including particle physics, cosmology, and astrophysics. The study of antiparticles helps to deepen our understanding of the fundamental nature of matter and the universe.